What's up, buddies? Would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more cash? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about how to increase your income. Okay, fellas? First of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, very, very awesome. So keep up, buddy. Okay, buddies. First of all, before I start, let me give you this quote. Okay? Okay. There is only one boss, and is the customer, and he can fire everybody in the company. He can fire everybody in the company on down simply by spending his money somewhere else. Okay? This is a quote from Sam Walton. If you guys know Sam Walton, he's the founder of Walmart. If I'm not mistaken, check on Google. Okay, buddies, listen. Okay, guys, how can you increase your income? You can increase your income simply by promoting your product. The more you promote your product in the marketplace, the more money, the more opportunity you're gonna have to make cash, right? So, but here's the thing, if you go to the marketplace with intention to solve problems, you're gonna make money. But if you go to the marketplace with intention, with initial intention to sell products, it's gonna be a little bit hard to make money, you know? Because you gotta understand one thing. Rich people, they go intentionally in marketplace in order to solve problems. Broke people, they go intentionally inside of the marketplace with the intention of selling their products. The thing it is that if your product does not solve problems, if your product does not solve problems, it's gonna be very difficult for you to make money. You know. This is one example that you can take, like for example, Amazon, Jeff Bezos. This is Jeff Bezos, okay? Yeah, the founder of Amazon. You guys know him. You know, he has a lot of strategies on how to make money, how to make his company grow. He has a lot of philosophies, a lot of strategies. I just was reading some stuffs about Jeff Bezos. After you guys, I recommend you guys to go check Jeff Bezos on internet. Okay, and one aspect about Jeff Bezos that I saw, it is that how can I say, Jeff Bezos, how can I say, Jeff Bezos, um, uh, he always said this thing, we have to focus, Amazon must focus on customer obsession, customer obsession instead of competitors obsession, you know. In other words, what he says that his goal, it is that always to focus on what the customers want, what are their problems, and what is the best way to fix the problems, the best and fastest way to fix the problems, because many companies around the world, what do they focus most? They do not focus on the customer, but they focus on competitors, they start to focus on what other companies are doing, and as they focus too much on what other companies are doing, then their action becomes very dependable on other companies instead of what the customers want, you know. But still, Jeff Bezos has another philosophy. He focuses on what the customer wants, And then in conclusion, as you see, Amazon, it is how can I say, one of the, maybe the biggest company, one of the biggest company in the world, Jeff Bezos is the richest man on the planet, just for you to see. So it is because of his philosophy, He has a very, how can I say, um, he has a very focused philosophy on how to fix problem with customers instead of focus on competitors, Yeah, and this is because, why is that? This is because, you have to understand that rich people, successful people, they are willing to innovate the product. They are willing to change the product. They are willing to, how can I say, innovate, change, fix, or do whatever it takes to their product in order to match the customer's demands. They are willing to do that. That's why they focus much more on the problems of the customer. But broke people, they do not want to change nothing about their products. They got a product they want to sell. In matter of fact, they go out in the marketplace trying to convince the customer to buy their products. Big mistake, The customer already knows what he wants, You just need to show to the customer that you have the solution that he's seeking, Do not try to convince your customer to believe in your product or to believe in the solution that you're promoting. No, he already has a problem and he knows he already knows what his problem is. You just have to come there with the solution. That's it, That's the only thing. You just have to come there with the solution. You have to come there and then say, I got the solution for your problem, and that's it. And when you do that, more people are going to buy your product. And the more people are going to buy your product, more people, then customers, they will recommend your product to other people, And then you're going to become known, And the more known you become, just better for you. You're going to make a lot of money and a lot of money and a lot of money. Okay? So think about that. Okay? Going to the marketplace with initially intention to solve products, not to sell products. Okay, buddies? Okay, guys. Write your comments below, and I'll see you next video, buddy. Ciao.